In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate collections in Shopify. Duplicating a collection is really handy when you already have a collection set up the way you like and you want to reuse that structure without rebuilding everything from scratch. This is perfect for seasonal collections, regional catalogs, or testing out new ideas based on an existing layout. Let's start from your Shopify dashboard. Go ahead and log into your Shopify admin the way you normally do. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard, where you can see an overview of your store's performance. From here, we're going to move into the area where all your products and collections live. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the main navigation menu. Find the option labeled Products and click on it. This section is where you manage everything related to what you sell, including individual products, inventory, and of course, collections. Give it a moment to load if your catalog is large. Once the products page opens, you'll see several options and filters. What we want is the collections option. This is usually listed in the sub-menu under products. Click on collections to open the list of all the collections that currently exist in your store. Here you can see each collection's name, type, and sometimes how many products are inside. Now, from this list, find the collection that you want to duplicate. Take a second to make sure you're choosing the correct one, especially if you have similar names, like Summer Sale and Summer Sale 2. Once you're sure, click directly on the collection name. This will open up the detailed view of that collection where you can see its description, conditions, and other settings. At the top or near the top right of this collection page, you'll see various action buttons. Look for the button labeled Duplicate and click on it. Shopify will then create a copy of that collection. Usually, the new collection will have a name similar to the original, with something added like copy, which you can edit later. After the duplication is complete, you'll be taken to the new collections page. From here, you can rename it, adjust the description, update the collection image, and tweak any conditions or product selections you need. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a collection in Shopify, saving yourself